Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can disable editing on Google Sheets mobile. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Google Sheets mobile app and I'm going to disable the editing on this Google Sheets file because I have shared this Google Sheets file to anyone and they can edit this Google Sheets file. And I'm going to disable the editing on this Google Sheets file. So first of all guys, we can click on these three dots and we're going to select the manage access. Okay, and as you can see, anyone on the internet with the link can edit this Google Sheets file. And I'm going to change the access. Click on change, and if you want to disable the editing, you can select viewer so they can only view your file. You can also set this file to restricted. If you want to set it to restricted, you just need to click on anyone with the link, then select the restricted so only people added can open this link. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable editing on Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.